Good morning, dear students. It is your social studies book, and we are going to read about the unit number 1 of geography. And your lesson number 1 is the Earth in the space. In this picture, as you can see, the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun, they are all the part of the solar system. The solar system is made up of the Sun and the 8 planets that move around it in space. The Earth is a planet. As you know that the Earth is a planet, and it is surrounded by the atmosphere, which is layers of air that keep all living things alive. What is the layer of air? As you know all that the layer of air contains the oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, and also the water vapors. So this is the layer of air which circles around the our earth is atmosphere. Okay, the space is the vast darkness beyond the earth and the sky. There is no light beyond the earth and the sky, and there is no air in space, but there are millions of stars and planets. Millions of kilometers away from Earth, you can see the stars at night, but we see the sun during the day. Never look directly at the sun, it can damage your eyes. सन को डायरेक्टली नहीं देखना चाहिए क्योंकि ये हमारी आंखों को डैमेज कर सकता है. द सन इज़ अ वेरी ब्राइट स्टार. As you know that the sun is a very bright star, and it is a huge ball of very hot gases, and it gives us heat and light. It is much bigger than the earth and the other planets. The earth is not fixed in one place. Actually, the earth never fixed in one place. It revolves around its axis and revolves around the sun also. It spins in anti-clockwise direction. As the clock in our homes, you can see the real direction of the clock and also the anti-clockwise direction of the clock. It completes one round in 24 hours. The one round of the earth completes in 24 hours. The earth also moves around the sun. It takes a year from the earth to move around the sun. Full year contains the earth to move around the sun. As we see that the sun, the moon, and the earth in this picture, and the earth is moving around the sun and also moving around its axis also, and even the moon also revolves around the earth. The circle of the moon is over here, in the center. As you saw that this is the moon, and it also circles around the earth, and even the earth moves around the sun. Next is the moon is closer to the earth. It is smaller than the earth. Actually, the sun is bigger than the earth, and the moon is smaller than the earth, and it is solid. It has no heat or light of its own. Its light is a reflection of sun's light. First of all, जब astronomers गए थे, नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग एक्चुअली एक साइंटिस्ट जो था वो सबसे पहले चांद पर गया था, और उसने देखा कि वहाँ पर कोई लाइट और कोई इस तरह की एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं है. एज ऑल द पीपल हैव द आइडिया कि the moon would be very bright and have its light also, but there was no light. And actually then the scientists thought that the full light of the moon is actually because of the sun. So sun is the main source of power, the sun is the main source of light, and sun is the main source of energy also. Our universe is basically is the result of the sun's power and energy. Okay, next, in the early morning we say the sun is rising. In the evening we say the sun is setting. Actually, the sun does not move at all. We know very well that the sun never moves because it is not a planet. It is a star. The stars streaks at the place the sun is setting. Actually, the sun does not move at all. The spinning movement of the earth causes day and night. It is actually the spinning movement of the earth which causes the day and night. It is the day in that part of the earth which faces the sun. It is the night on the other side that faces away from the sun. Night time for us is daytime for the people on the other side of the earth. Okay, thank you.